I'm going to show you the easiest and laziest way to get to $10,000 a month in the next 90 days. And you guys should pay attention because I've been making money online from my laptop by not even working hard for the last several years myself. And I'm going to reveal to you today one of the best opportunities as an online entrepreneur. We're going to be building very professional websites like this one on screen, which is very minimalistic and modern. Go High Level never used to have this feature before, and now we're able to create very professional websites. They used to be very template based and very copy and paste, but now we're able to create one-of-one type of websites while every single button is linked up to the automations tab. We're going to be charging between $3,000 to $4,000 as a one-time fee for the website to be created, and also charging a fee between $297 a month to $497 a month for other website features, as an example being a AI voice agent. Anytime somebody goes and fills out a form, basically after 2 minutes, if somebody at the business is not able to call the lead to just fill out their information, the agent's actually going to call them, and it's going to sound incredibly real. And I'm going to show you exactly how to set all that up in this video as well. This is exactly how we're going to get to $10,000 a month in the next 90 days. So if you're not a Go High Level user yet, go down to that link in the description. It's the perfect time because Go High Level is running a summer sale to get 3 months off at 50% off. That means you're going to be spending the next 3 months building your agency, as I'm going to show you here today, paying basically nothing. Like, it's incredibly cheap. You're also going to get a free course going over exactly how to use High Level in depth. But what we have to do is go down to the settings tab. Let me go back real quick. What we're going to do is go down to settings once we're in our sub account. We're going to click on labs. Once we're in labs down here, we're going to go over to the right and type in AI. Then we're going to go down here, turn this on right here, flow-based builder for voice AI. We're going to turn that on, as well as having AI Studio. This is exactly what we need right here. So we need to turn this on. And then what we're going to do is go back. And as you can see, it's listed on the top of the side menu now. What we're going to do is click on AI Studio, and we're going to be brought to this page. Looks like they're experiencing a lot of traffic here, but it's okay. For this video, we're going to take a bar and rebuild their website to look way better. So I'm gonna click on Lucky Strike here in North Scottsdale. Incredible reviews, by the way, so shout out to them. But we're gonna go to their site and you're gonna see kind of, it's not all that, you know what I mean? It's not all that, it's kind of like whatever. So what I'm gonna do is copy all of this. This is the exact prompt that I want the AI Studio to follow. So as I showed you in the beginning of this video too, I'm gonna use this website kind of as a bit of a template and styling template that I want the AI Studio to reference. So as you can see, I'm saying please rebuild this entire site and clean up all the spacing, the margins, the padding, keep the products and services the same type thing, but clean it up if you see an opportunity to do so. I'm kind of repeating myself here a little bit, but I just want to be more specific for the AI Studio to listen to me here. So let's go and see what it creates in the chat here. Look at this website. It just spat this out. Like, that took about a minute, minute and a half at most to generate. And this is all done with AI Studio. Look at this website versus this. Like, what a night and day difference. And if you were to go and add the other features on their actual website and want to have everything added on the new website, you would just go back and forth in the chat right here and tell the AI exactly what you wanted to add and what you wanted to remove if it adds anything that you don't want. For the sake of the video, let's say that we were ready to add our next feature, which is going to be our conversational AI agent. So let's just say that I wanted to go and select 3 people on, let's pick the calendar here. So it already has a built-in calendar, which is super cool. And we would be able to sync this up inside of Go High Level's calendar, or with their existing calendar that they're already using internally at their business. And then we can say, hey, it's a kids party or a social party or a corporate event, whatever the case, and then click on check availability. Instantly, if somebody was not automatically answering the phone at the establishment within the span of 12 seconds, we could then add a AI agent to take over that call, talk to the human, and then get them secured, answer any questions they may have, and really secure the appointment and confirm it. Once we're back at this page, all we're gonna do is click on Ask AI at the very top. So I'm gonna say, so right now it's basically gonna create a voice agent and a conversational process. So anytime someone does receive a call or does get connected with the AI agent, it knows what to say and how to handle any questions and objections. All right, after a few minutes, this is exactly what the AI Studio created. ready to go. For this, we're gonna just be focusing on the voice agent side of things, but it actually created an ability to chat with a bot, and we can create all of these and create a chat bot. Now, it went and chose the voice Jessica under the voice AI agents tab and added its own persona. As you can see here, this is Scottsdale's largest bowling alley with this many lanes, all this information. The agent is able to pull all the information regarding the name, email, phone number, and appointment booking information, and have all of the knowledge base regarding the entire business, as you can see. Frequently asked questions on lanes, arcades, sports bar, events, and even seasonal events and seasonal promotions that's going on right now. Now, this booking calendar, this would be actually synced up when it's live to their real calendar, as well as the phone number. We can always attach a phone number later on too. So this is one of the easiest ways to get to $10,000 a month over the next 3 months with not much work. You're pretty much having AI do all the heavy lifting for you and creating a really, really good product and creating a really, really good service that people will be happy to pay you, and also happy to pay you month over month for features just like the chat widget and the AI agent that's able to take incoming calls. I don't want to make this video too technical going into more features like that, since I already showed you all of this so far, but make sure to subscribe to the channel, use that link down below to sign up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.